In our last video, I created this mermaid-inspired look for the doll. Today, I wanted to give her some mermaid-inspired nails. So we're going to be using our favorite paints and, of course, Mod Podge. I have both glossy and matte here and some toothpicks to apply the nail polish. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. The first thing that we need to do is add a layer of matte Mod Podge as a base coat. This is going to protect the doll from getting stained, and you can remove this so easy later if you decide to change up your doll's nails, so it's not permanent. Once that's dried, you can add your favorite paint. I'm using Plaid products. I'll have a code here for their website and linked below. They have some of the most affordable paints and they work really well. So once I've added my colors, as you can see, I am going to go ahead and let them dry. Now you can stop here and add a top coat of Mod Podge, but I'm going to add this very pretty, shiny, glitterific, fine glitter. So this is a glitter paint by Plaid, and look at how satisfying it is. It is so pretty, and I think it's going to go with her mermaid vibes. So here it is with a layer of that glitter, and I think they look super pretty. Now we just need to seal in our work. We can either use matte Mod Podge to give a matte results, or gloss for a little extra shine. So I'm going to be using the gloss because I have glitter underneath and we want to keep that shine. So just add your top coat. And here are our finished nails. I think they came out really pretty. And the best part is, when using Mod Podge, you can always take these off and change them up later without damaging your doll. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big like and subscribe for more. Also, I'll have a link to Plaid's website down below and a code here on the screen in case you want to check out their products. And I'll see you guys very soon with another video.